Hello everyone and happy Navy Day. To celebrate this day and highlight the importance and significance of the Indian Navy, me and my teammates from class 9 have made a video. This is a very important day reminding us of the sacrifices the young men of our country to have to make. So, let's begin.
When India became independent in 1947, part of the Royal Indian Navy was allotted to the new state of Pakistan. The remaining forces took the title of Indian Navy in 1950. The Indian Navy took part in Operation Vijay in 1961, wars with Pakistan in 1965 and 1971, and in more recent operation of a smaller scale. The Indian Navy was officially founded on 26 January 1950 with the slogan Sharm no Varuna, meaning may the Lord of Water be auspicious unto us. Vice Admiral R.D. Katari was the first Chief of Naval Staff, appointed on 22nd April 1951. Admiral R. Hari Kumar took charge as Chief of Naval Staff on 30th November 2021.
Destroyer is a fast, maneuverable, long-distance warship intended to escort large vessels in a fleet, convoy a battle group and defend them against smaller range attackers. INS Ranjit was India's first resort made in the UK. There are four destroyer classes: Vishakhapatnam class, second Kolkata class, third Delhi class, fourth Rajput class.
Aircraft carriers are huge ships that, as the name suggests, have a runway on deck on which jet lands. A regular aircraft carrier can host up to 6 aircrafts, 6,000 personnel, and cost upwards of $6 billion to construct. India has only one aircraft carrier, and it is the INS Vikrant, measuring 262 meters in length, and it was built by Cochin Shipyard for Indian Navy.
I'm going to tell you about submarines. Submarines are watercraft capable submerging underwater within seconds. These are effective in destroying aircraft carriers, destroyers, and other watercraft with torpedoes. The first class of the submarines commissioned in the Indian Navy were the cavalry class submarines, with the first one being INS Cavalry commissioned in 1996. Now, there are four types of submarine classes in the Indian Navy. First one is Arihant class, second Sri Shamar class, third Sindhu Ghost class, and fourth Kalvari class.
The gallant Indian Navy has contributed very much to the wars fought by our country and have helped in winning many. In the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, the Navy blockaded West and East Pakistan. Followed by the blockades were two major operations: Operation Trident, an attack on the Pakistan Naval Headquarters at Karachi, and Operation Python, both weakening the Pakistan Navy severely. In the Kargil War, the Indian Navy prevented blockades by Pakistani Navy and also protected India maritime trade ships, playing an important role in the war.
At the end of our video, I would like to express my immense gratitude towards our Navy. The motto of the Navy is, May the Lord of Water be auspicious unto us. Indeed, may the God of the seas be auspicious upon these brave sailors who protect our country and protect them till the last. Thank you and Jai Hind.